Recently, judges and courts have been undermining the rights of juries to find a defendant innocent. And last year, one person sat outside the Old Bailey Court with a placard like these people are here, and the placard said, "Juries have an absolute right to acquit a defendant according to their conscience," and that repeats the words on a marble plaque inside the Old Bailey. That person, Trudi Warner, he was arrested, and these people here, and 500 around England and Wales, are sitting outside Crown Courts, repeating exactly what she did, and saying, "Now arrest me."
I've got a conscience, and juries are allowed to convict according to their conscience, and it's important that we remember that, because that's what makes our justice system so special. And if we tell juries what they are and are not allowed to do, and they're not allowed to hear the motives behind a defendant's actions, then that is a right that we will lose forever, and that is the power of our current system.
I think it's really important that we get this message out there so that people know that juries are under threat and that they are not being allowed to make judgments of their own according to their own convictions.
Judges are not allowing defendants to explain why they did what they did, which is part of the whole story we need to hear.
I've been outside Bristol Crown Court today because I too am deeply concerned about the undermining of our court system. Way back in the 1670s, the law came into force that allows jurors to acquit a defendant having heard all the evidence according to their conscience. And recently, judges have effectively gagged defendants, not allowing them to say words like climate change or fuel poverty in court, otherwise they'll be in contempt of court. And that's deeply worrying, because how can a jury come to a fair judgment if they're not given the full facts? And my final fear is that if we don't keep this gold standard jury system alive, we're slipping from a democracy into a really authoritarian state, and that worries me. That's why I'm here.